Today I'm going to tell you about a project that inspired me to be an engineer, the London sewer system, and about a man who solved the monster soup problem. Now known as one of the 7 wonders of the industrial world, the London sewer system consists of approximately 2,000 kilometres of tunnel and can carry up to 2 billion litres of waste a day. But why was it built? Well, in the 1850s, we didn't have a proper sewer system. Instead, 2.5 million people relied on discarding their waste in cesspits and open channels. The system was starting to become overloaded, with more and more of it flowing into the River Thames. Joining it was industrial discharge and slaughterhouse effluent, making the Thames water thick and sluggish, gaining its nickname Monster Soup. Now, while this wasn't pleasant, it was made a lot worse by the fact that Londoners still got their drinking water from the Thames. Waterborne diseases such as cholera and typhoid spread easily, resulting in multiple epidemics of these diseases. And then the summer of 1858 hit. Temperatures soared. It was averaging 35 degrees each day, and the Thames sludge sat there in the sun, cooking. You can imagine, the smell was unbelievable. They tried to coat the Thames foreshore with lime to dissolve the smell, but nothing worked. Instead, Parliament, who was sat near the river, passed a bill within 18 days to provide money to the Metropolitan Board of Works to create a new unified sewage system that would fix the problem. Joseph Bazalgette was the chief engineer in charge. He designed brick-lined tunnels that intercepted underground rivers and old waste channels and took them downstream. Here, pumping stations raised the waste from the low-lying sewers and discarded it into the Thames estuary at high tide, where it was taken out to sea. 318 million bricks, 670,000 metres cubed of concrete, and thousands of workers meant that by 1866, most of London was connected to this network. From a mere 2.5 million to 9 million users, it's amazing how this 150-year-old system is still operational. And why is it? Well, if Joseph Bazalgette hadn't taken a risk on the new technology of Portland cement, which was the new water-resistant cement, the system might not be in such good condition as it was today. More importantly, if Joseph Bazalgette hadn't anticipated the growth of the city and then doubled the size of the tunnels, well, who knows, we might be back with monster sludge now. Even though most of the work that Joseph Bazalgette did can't be seen, it's still a story that shows that engineers can make huge impacts to the world, whether revolutionising processes or improving lives. Thank you for listening.